Da-da-da-dum. Good day, lovelies. Today is a Thursday afternoon, and I'm about to head out to go to this new place in Toronto called Harriet's Rooftop at the One Hotel. So me and my friend Tamira are about to go there to check it out because, you know, we like to see what's new with these places in the city. I just did a video on this here, and girl, it is long. 30 inches, but because I'm 5'3", she looks extra long. I need to get ready so I'm not late, and this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing white, blue, and pink. You see the eyeshadow? You see the eyeshadow, girl? Yes, we are doing a bunch of different colors because it's sunny outside, and y'all know the vibe. My makeup is already done because I did the video on the hair and all that, and I'm gonna freshen up my lip gloss, yada yada yada, and then I'm gonna get out of here. So my Uber is 4 minutes away. I'm partially fully dressed. I'm gonna show y'all the full fit later because I don't have any time to like go through it with y'all. This corset top is from Pretty Little Thing. The pants is from Lulu's. Then I'm wearing these heels from Zara and this coat from Shein. The coat is not really a part of the outfit, but just in case it's a little bit chilly outside and, you know, we decide to walk around or do something else, I have my coat. The way how Toronto weather is set up, girl, you don't want to be catch lacking, okay? Because it might be sunny outside. Like, it's sunny right now, but baby, that cold weather can hit. It might snow, like, you never know. Guys, it's cold, right? That's why we have to wear a jacket.
I was gonna thug it out.
Oh, you were?
Nighttime falls.
I said that exact thing when I was getting ready. Y'all, the music they've been playing inside this lobby, D'Angelo,
Like what?
they're playing Ariana, and it's the neo soul vibes that they're doing up in here. Hey y'all, it is a Saturday and we're going out for a little day out. Is it date? It's not date night, it's not day, it's just like us hanging out today. So we're going to this brunch spot called, what's it called? Eviva. Is it Eviva or Eviva? So this is breakfast and brunch spot in well, I got different locations in Toronto, so we're going to the one in North York, and then we're gonna go to this art museum. It's like a It's a exhibit that they have, and it ends today, and it's a basketball exhibit. I think it's called In the Paint. So we're gonna check that out after we eat, and then maybe we just, you know, browse the city.
Let's go bar hopping.
See what's going on. Bar hopping? We could do that too, but you're driving, so I don't know where the heck.
If we start early, we go sober up and down.
Sober up, okay. So that's the vibe for it.
And the highway block.
And the highway, Lord Jesus, it's sunny today. It's like bright and pretty out, and so you know everybody's gonna be outside. Like everybody is trying to be outside.
Like it's a real warm day.
Yeah, today warm, right? Well, like I always tell y'all, how Toronto weather still carry your jacket and your thing, because
tonight I mean about 4 degrees.
4 degrees in the night. As soon as the sun goes down, although the sun going down at like 8-ish, so that's still a good amount of time of sunlight. But as soon as it starts setting, cool. So
that goof is still behind me on this highway. Me like it.
Yo, a lot of crazy drivers in Toronto, okay? Like a lot of crazy people. I could just be high alert for these places. Anyways, y'all, that's the vibe. To the local gallery to check out their basketball, what do you call that, their basketball exhibit. Yes, so we're in like the hippie part of Toronto. This is on College Street. It's just like a vibe, so that's what we've been do.
Wave. Me on the beat too. Look, yeah. Okay. I pull up you deep on my niggas, consider it's pivotal. Trap through the app, make her clap it, don't cap it. She tapping it fast. I think that you know they be catching it. Standing 6 feet up, casting a shadow. What niggas they talk like they bad, they know that we got it. They talk far from actual. I make the wave so tsunami. I dare you to paddling. The trunk steady rattling. Blowing top tier to keep my thoughts clear. I see the optim there, I'm on my shot, call a big boss. That never know the time, I'm never clocking in. Wildflower, I'm like Denzel, I've been a man on fire. Bitch, I'm hot lava, you are not scarred, you are proudly. I'm a real to the cover seal. Heart chill from all this talking real. Recent life feel like a highlight reel. Currently thumbing through currency, I'm from the avenue, bitch, I'ma get it regardless. I tell little baby to slide with that lotus, pull up with the garden. My guard is down till you come around, trying to hold you some. Give a how you feel, I don't owe you nothing. Now you trying to make amends, I'm just trying to get the fortunes. Trying to cut my mama fortress. Pop might pull up in a Porsche. I used to be quiet, was timid. They used to catch me skipping courses. Now they snapping portrait. Hard head but never forced it. I got a pen it shine like it's supposed to. The way I deliver they pros to. My neck got a compass to know where we going. It sound like I'm stepping through portals. I'm off of that poison the devil be calling, but I just ignore it, hit for it. The task force told me God. Okay, yeah, you asked for it. Wave. The task force told me God. Okay, yeah, you asked for it. Wave, the task force told me God. Look, the way that I ball, I should've played for the Big Ten when I touched stage, but they packed in. Got a pretty thing to make a back bend. Let me see it all through the glass lens. Had some people try to snake if I see you. I'm teed up, might greet you with brass hands. Skate off fast, put a buck on the dash to somewhere vast. With my feet up, wait, hold up the label, just call me the tapping. They just cut the check, so I'm up in the slip. I take for J to the neck, then I stretch. To start my day, I hit the cash dance. It's different now, I was down then, but that's all in the past tense. So I can't stop till I'm top 10, and I'm not 10. I'm so in love with the process. Not all in the day, but it took them some time to build Rome. I just copped the crib, never home. No, I can't keep a charge on the phone. So she thinks she in love with a ghost. When I'm home, I'm make sure that she get what she needs so she know what I'm capable of. Know my rhythm can spar with the pros. They pay me to hear what I'm on, they ask what I'm on. I'm doing great, I suppose. Cause I get to do what I want, it's legit, but it sound like it's straight from the stove. They playing my tape in the field and they treat me like I'm making plays in the fort. Know the beat bang with a force. I'm a product of stand.
What is cracking, beautiful people? Today is Friday and Simba and I are headed to our first ever hockey game. So what's the name of the group again?
Maple Leaf Sports Entertainment.
That's the name of the group. Maple Leaf Sports Entertainment sent me an email that they were inviting me to their tailgate for the hockey players. So much of me struggling. What's the league called?
National Hockey League, NHL.
NHL, right.
So
Yo, I'm
the
struggling.
NBA, you got the NFL, you got the NHL, you got the MLS, which is Major League Soccer. Why don't you know?
I'm new to hockey. Like, this will be a learning experience for me, so I'm super excited to go to my first ever hockey game, y'all. Like, we about to see what about to happen.
Technically, you're like the in-game.
I already told them that. So today we're not actually going on the inside, we're going to their tailgate thingamajig, which is on the outside, and then Tuesday we're gonna go to the game. So today is the third game, and it's tied at 1-1. See, I did my research.
You did.
Yes, I did.
You see the fight? You see the fight?
I didn't see a fight. Hockey, they look like they're always fighting. So I don't. What the heck is up with Toronto roads, bro?
They are doing construction and fixing nothing. That's the problem.
Yeah. So today's the third game. Then on Sunday it's the fourth, and then the fifth game is on Tuesday, which we are going to on Tuesday, which is gonna be on the inside. So that's the gist of it. Yo, I didn't even know what to wear, what people wear to to a hockey game. So I'm like, I'm just gonna dress in a hoodie and
Shelly, you're looking like one of them girlfriends that the NBA players that bring courtside.
What? Yeah. Wait, I look like one of them NBA player girlfriend courtside.
Yeah, you look like a Jordan Woods come watch Carl Anthony Towns lose fit.
I'm gonna show you my
good
outfit. I'm gonna show
that way
you.
You look, it's a fire fit.
What the hell do people wear to a hockey game?
It's just something that she would wear coming to watch a man play basketball.
I don't know what people would wear to a hockey game, y'all. So
beer, that's what they wear, beer. They drink it and
oh, you said they wear beer? I'm dead. Anyway, so that's the vibe. We're heading downtown, so Happy Mother's Day to my mommy. Hey. Hold on, why should I look at everybody camera? Hey guys, so we're here having Mother's Day brunch with my mom. And as you guys can see, we're doing outdoor patio and it is cold.
It is, but it's heated.
Look, she ain't got no jacket on. I have all my boobs out and everything. Mommy has a sandal on. Like, hello. Real Caribbean people. Them to look at sunlight and things say warm and dandy outside. So this is why you still have my mask.
Oh yes. Masked. Nothing.
We're outside and there's nobody else around. Anyway, so we're back at this restaurant called Eviva. Is it Eviva? Simba and I went here like about not a couple of days ago, about a week ago.
Yeah. That's how you sound.
And it's full today, so we're outside because it's like almost like over 2 hours away from the inside. Ain't nobody got time for that.
The switch up, okay.
Yeah, that's what I do. I do code switching in my video. Sometimes I'll talk, nice. I put on my customer service voice, and then sometimes the part will just come out like I'm a mom. But then today is a Tuesday. It is, I don't know why I'm snapping. Like, there's nothing really exciting about a Tuesday. So right now, it is about 6:40 and we're going to the hockey playoff games today. They're playing in Toronto, so this time we're actually gonna go to the game and not like the tailgate outside, because the tailgate was because they weren't playing in the city. So yeah, that's what we're doing. And then afterwards we're gonna go to this Thai restaurant downtown. I can't remember what it's called, but I'm gonna put it when we get there. It's this really popular Thai restaurant that I've been seeing all the girlies go to, so I'm like, Simba, we gotta go, we gotta get some Thai food. So I just did a video on this here and I'm loving it. It's cute and just a little short curly situation. It's giving, a natural type of look, so I am really loving it. So obviously with the fit for this game, we keep it casual and sporty. So I'm just wearing a hoodie, a white hoodie. Let me show you guys if I could show y'all what's happening. So I'm wearing this white hoodie. I got my little bracelets on, how we do. I went for plain nails. Like, I just wanted plain white nails, so that's what the vibe is for the next week and a half. So we got on our little jewels, and I'm wearing these denim jeans that I got from Garage. It's a cute little simple ripped jeans. We're keeping it casual, y'all. We're not doing too much. And then I'm going to put that all together with my blue random Blackwood trunk, my mini trunk, and the Toronto Maple Leafs are blue, right? So I'm like, I'm right on theme. So I also am wearing my my Jordan 1s, my lows, in this baby blue. These are one of my favorite fits. Like, look how cute they are. So I need to put these on. I shouldn't be doing this on my carpet, child. So Simba's finished getting dressed, and then we're gonna head out. Yeah, I think I need to get lip gloss. Just in case, I don't think I'm gonna take any pictures today, but I don't want dry lips. You feel me? So we're gonna get lip gloss and then we're gonna head out.